Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you everybody? Hope you guys enjoying this winter. In this weather, steak is first choice, right? Let's dive into the detail. Today I will show you how to make rib eye steak, American style versus Bangladeshi style. To show this twin recipe, we took 6 pieces of rib eye with bone. So let's go YouTube Kitchen USA. At first we wash and clean all those steaks. Then soak all the water from meat with paper towel. Now we are start with spices mixing and prepare the steak. For US style steak, we only need 3 items: white pepper, black pepper, salt as required. We mix all 3 ingredients and mix properly. That's it. I will show everything. Now I will show Old Dhaka style. Ginger paste, half teaspoon, garlic paste, half teaspoon, salt as required, white pepper, half teaspoon, chili flakes, half teaspoon, chili powder, half teaspoon, barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon, cumin powder, half teaspoon, coriander, half teaspoon, salt as required. Mix everything properly and apply to both sides of steak. We are ready to go. We leave both steak on plate for 30 minutes. I will come back after 30 minutes. Now it's time for cooking. 1 tablespoon of butter on a fry pan. On high flame, but remember, don't burn the butter. Now we put this US style steak to place into the pan. We need to cook first 5 minutes on high flame without cover the pan. I will come back after 5 minutes, then flip the steak. After 5 minutes, we will cook another 5 minutes on medium flame without cover the pan. After 10 minutes, you can remove steak from pan, but don't serve it right away. Allow 2 to 3 minutes so meat can drain the juicy around. I will show now Old Dhaka style steak. We will do same. 5 minute high flame and 5 minute medium flame. You will see some burning, but don't get scared. Meat isn't burning. It's all spices. When we remove from pan, we need to remove those burnt spices with fork. We also prepared some vegetables to serve with steak. We took some carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, lettuce, mushroom, yellow bell pepper, and beans. Let's boil some water and drop carrots first because it takes little time to boil. Few minutes later, I took all vegetables to the boil water for 2 minutes, then drain out from water. I will show now vegetables cooking. Now take a fry pan with medium flame. I will take 1 tablespoon butter and garlic salt as required, and chili flakes half tablespoon. Need to cook with vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes maximum. Please don't overcook. Now it's time to taste. You can see pink juicy steak on USA style. Oh my god, just wow! An old Dhaka style steak is like so tender and chewy. That's awesome. Hope you guys try both recipe at home. If you like my recipe, please share your photo and comments. You can leave thumbs up, comments if you like. To get new recipes, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye. See you next video.